You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know many people get confused by it. Shouldn't be. If you want to learn more English pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that you should listen to, pronounced in English as creek, which is a narrow, sheltered waterway. A creek, especially on the shoreline, so along the sea, the beach. A creek, a long E sound. Creek, how to pronounce in English, pronunciation, creek. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.